Morning, guys. Welcome to Bryce Canyon. Today we're going to be hiking the Navajo Loop and Garden Trail. It's about a 3-mile loop trail with about 600 feet of vert. And on this trail you can see the hoodoos, and hopefully we get to see Wall Street. It may or may not be closed today just because of the weather, but we're going to play our luck and see if we can go. But it's probably the most popular trail in Bryce, so we're excited to get this one going. So we just made it through the hoodoo section of the Navajo Loop, and now we're actually going over to Wall Street and hoping that it's still open. There's not a lot of snow, so I wouldn't see why it wouldn't be open, but we're gonna play our luck and see if it is. So sadly, Wall Street is closed, but if you look behind me, there's this little door. And if you go up to it and just check out the back side of it, you have a pretty sweet view. Let's check it out. All right, guys, we just got done doing that hike. We did it in like a little under like an hour and a half. Yeah, so for what that loop gives you, it's probably one of the best hikes you're gonna see in Bryce. And although it's really short, I think you're gonna have a lot of fun because this hike gives you a lot of opportunities to take photos and pictures along the way. So you're gonna be stopping a lot kind of to do that. That's kind of why it took us a little longer to do it, was because we stopped at a lot of different spots to take photos, which was great. I mean, for a 3-mile hike, you'd think maybe you get like 1 or 2 spots that are really photogenic, but this one was like that throughout the entire hike. Now we're probably just gonna be going out of the park, finding a spot to get a cappuccino and a cafe au lait, because it is that time of day. And then we're actually gonna be driving back to Glenwood Springs and the Colorado area to stop at one of our favorite hot springs in Glenwood Springs at the Iron Mountain Hot Springs to enjoy the rest of the day. And then tomorrow we're just gonna be driving back to our house in Golden. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and the hike that we did today. And if you want to see more like it, make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow along for more to come. But I just want to thank you guys again for watching this video and have a great rest of your day.